say isikhathi 10:30 in the morning here in eBritane. Okay, ninjani bantase salibonani absheni kuthwani konje nge7 angikhohle ukuthi uthwani nge7 neshannon dumelang goeiemôre, how are you, ninjani niholeni niyaphila hayi ngiyaphila nami njani molweni bisayikhumbula la advert bona mhlobo wami you. Okay, so we have a packed day today. We have a packed day. You know, I believe that each and every day has its own character, its own identity. So today's identity, as far as I can, plan, but the day will plan itself. You can never fully plan the day, trust me. That I know, I've proven it. So, ngizoxova manje inhlama yokwenza amagwinya. Abantwana bafuna ama-scoops. Khumbulana ngithe bawubiza ama-scoops. So bafuna ama-scoops. Ngizokwenza amagwinya.
Hayi kodwa sifelile ungusha uphekekanga tu. But sizawupheka ngizanibonisa mase upheka.
For tonight's dinner. Abantwana sizobenzela ispaghetti bolognese ngoba abawuthanda ungqusho. So ngizawupheka imbizi ezimbili namhlanje. Yes, today is a cooking day. Yeah. So guys, okay, my normal intro. Hello, my name is Nobuntu. I am a South African based in the United Kingdom. I am a mother of 5 kids. So yes, I'm here. I've been here for some time now. So guys, please, Bandasi. Please, my socials are YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. I have not done anything with the Instagram yet, but I'm yet to ngizazama ukuthi nje ngilungise zonke izinto. But ku-YouTube Nobuntu ya which with ya at the end with a YAH. Nobuntu ya. Okay? And then the TikTok is the same, the YouTube is the same. So please Bandase, follow me. Do follow me and subscribe. Yazini, when you subscribe, it picks up with the algorithm. Subscribe, comment, and like. Even if you just leave an emoji, so to say hands down or hands up, okay? You can like, but if you see that you don't like the vlog, but no, don't do that. Okay, yeah. So subscribe, and subscribe. So this vlog, I think it's only for I'm gonna try to make it only for today, which is Thursday. And we have a visitor today. Our support worker is coming. So Vantase subscribe, please. Vantase ngilandeleleni. Ngithathe nje ngifikise no 100 at least so that I can do a giveaway. And then ngithathe 90,000 and ngithathe nithi more and okay. And comment. You don't have to write the whole thing, blah blah. No, if you don't want to, just an emoji. It's a comment, right? But I prefer yes words because I engage with people. So I will engage, I will try to reply. Those things, zenza ukuthi nakanjani YouTube ikwazi ukuthi recommend my channel to other people as well. You know, to other people's feeds and things like mama ngaqale ngathi comment yalo ngibona ama comment wakho mama. Now ndazi kuzo. Angiboni ni comment. Ikhaya. Anzanibiza amagama. You want me to call you by names? Okay guys, yeah, no, I'm joking, but please subscribe, like, comment, just to help with the algorithm so that I can push more and more. This is my work now. I'm going to do this full time. Yes, for now that's the plan, but if it changes, I'll let you know. I'm one person, my mind changes every time. I lose a train of my thoughts, and when I lose that train of thoughts, I just you feed anything else that I can grab along the way. Okay, so but that's Nyantanda. Thank you for your continuous support. So let's vlog is starting. Abantwana base all day, as I said, they're still on holidays, summer holidays. Basa bayavula nge3 September from the 17th July till the 30th September, if I'm not mistaken. I have to double check this. Two of my kids are starting new schools altogether. Melinda, she's going to college. Here in the UK, we call it sixth form or A levels. After your GCSEs, you go to sixth form. Guys, I'm education. I don't even know what is that. Oh, okay. There's a sixth form. Oh, okay. There's A levels. Other than that, I don't know anything. So now I'm figuring out as I go along. We're just winging it. Okay. Yeah, Melinda is going to the sixth form. She chose to go to sixth form rather than A levels. I don't know. She told me the long list of. Maybe she will let you know. I'll ask her to maybe to feed you on that. And then I've got Soneliso. Soneliso is going to high school. He's starting his year 7. Here is that from reception to year 6, that's the primary, and then from year 7 to GCS is that's high school, and then 2 years of A levels of sixth form, and then university. That's how it goes. So far, that's what I know. Okay, so Soneliso is going to year 7. Little my Soneliso. So yeah. Anything else? I'll update you as I go. So as I said, each and every day it's got its own identity. Remember, even in Matthew chapter 6, when Yeshua said, do not worry about tomorrow, for tomorrow will worry about itself. Because you cannot figure out the identity of the next day. You cannot plan the future. The future will plan for you. Even if you, yes, I'm not saying, no, let me rephrase that. I'm not saying that you can't plan the future, but you cannot say that it's for certain. You plan, but it's not for certain. Because you don't know what is in the future, okay? But we can try to live in the moment so that our future will be better, okay? While here we live. So I think that thank you. Peace. Let's start the vlog. Sabata! I-breakfast ka-Sabata le akekho la angazi ukuthi kuphi. Uze yamba nqunu. Mama umphrofasi lo mntana akalali guys. I don't know. Akalali. Sabata! Your breakfast is ready. What do you say? But that's angizokhipha i-chicken manje. I-fish yami le. Iyo le ekuleli bhodi defrostiwe. Angazi leli pheli lifuna. Ikwi-boiler room. Sisi-boiler le nibonayo le. This chicken. Bantas, these are the ingredients engizoziuza for these ingredients engizoziuza for Amagwinya. It's nothing much. Iphini le. Inhlama yami iqala ngephini. Then you say yeast, baking bicarbonate of soda, baking powder, flour, self-raising flour, and table salt and coffee and sugar. I put sugar in my scoops. So nakumushu wethu. Nyawubona? Nanku ngolo. Ngolo sizopheka zonke lezi zinto lezi. So i-chicken sengikhiphile siya defroster nayo. So ngizanibonisa later. Manje bandazi, when it comes to upheka umngqusho, asinayo imbotyi eziphekwayo. Bezikhona. I think zikhona, yes? Umgube papa. Asinazo imbotyi. Besinazo, I think ziphelile. Ish lento lento.
Yo, hayi bantu basekhaya lento nginxibile hayi yesabeka chef. I have to say it. Oh, kodwa ilight enilula eniyaqokeka kahle. But ayona hayi chef yesabeka.
Like last time saya, benginemadlanyana nje but bengikhalela izinto ezininzi khona but themasifike sathola ukuthi sisigani iphelile. Bayizikhona ngithenga a lot of sisigani. Because we don't go there every now and then. So yeah, now kumngqusho sithenge imbotyi kidney beans ezisithini, and we'll see good how it goes. Nizabona mase sipheka, okay? Yeah, nazi nje sizosipheka. Ngizokwenza inhlama. Okay. Masicheckeni la lento, la Inqodi le, and I think namhlanje ngizayipheka. So ngifuna ngilungise ibhodo leNqodi elomngqusho elo ngicabanga ukuthi kwinhlama yamagwinya bese ngenza nomdoko and then ngenze chicken stew instead. Yabona? What do you think? Yeah, okay, let's see. Hey, idale khabhathi bakithi. Bhekani kukhumale kangakanani. Nami khona ngizayivula nani manje. Asivuleni ke. Oh my days, ingathi poof ebusweni bami. Yeah, did you hear that? Bah. Oh my days, look at that. Oh, yes, exactly. Oh, Inqodi. Mama pheka Inqodi. Pheka mama. Yo. Oh, icwilile. Oh, hayi isingesa ngengazi ke lapho ukuthi ngithini mangicwilile. Icwilile. It has sunk in the thing inhlama le yakhona. Kunalamanzi amamuncu phezulu la exactly what you need. Oh yes. Let's stir this. Oh my days, even ngibheka nje. Yes, hayi ready manje ukuthi ngipheke. Sine Inqodi. Dine Inqodi. Pheka Inqodi. Oh my days. It's just that because of funny uzithole lezi zinto lana. Umgoma amabele. Mawutholile ubayilaki. Bayilaki. But umuntu ungayenza na umgube papa, you know that. Yes. Oh, babumuncu. Oh, ngimxelela abantu into emuncu ngiyayithanda. That's why nami ngimuncu nje. No, angikho muncu, sweet guy be like honey. Sweet like honey. You. Ingathi uridela utshwala. Oh, me. Siyaqombotha manje uphunqombothi. But akusengiqombothi. Okay, yeah. Anyway, dance is aside. Nalesi sizoyipheka ke. Angisayibuyiseli lapha ebumnyameni. Ngoba seyiready ukuthi iphekwe. Angiziva mangivale nga escape la bomuncu. Nayo ngizayibeka la. Sengiyangcolisa ngoko. But anyway, I'm gonna use it. So yeah, let all inochuku. Any droplets kuzo izabe seyibonakala. But angizikhulula. Ngicela ku refresh upstairs, wash things. You know, I didn't have a long shower, just a quick one. Buso bami and everything. And then yeah. So inochuku kayibilento. Begin. Maybe. Okay guys, I'm going to cook. That's ibhodo lam and okwenza Inqodi ngipheka Inqodi ngoku, okay? More water. Ayambila amanzi. But I'm good. You have to stir. Oh, see? Keep on stirring it. It's going to firm up. Inqodi ke le bantasi niyibona? I mean abangayazi inqodi le. Angazi ukuthi ubizwa ngani ngesilungu. Buyisobatshela. I'm going to put a little bit more of this in here and with cold water stir it and put it here so that it will firm up a little bit. You don't want it too thick and yet not too thin, okay? Just the right consistency. So you to depend with your preference. Not too much. Let's put water in this. Cold water. Keep on stirring. Keep on stirring. See, this is the consistency that I like. That one. This is the consistency that I like in wood. Okay, bantase, ndanibona maseza vudu. Just don't cover it all the way, okay? Let it simmer and heat on low, okay? And very low, so it will simmer like that. Hey guys, ngifonele umngani wami. Yes, I really don't know. Kunezinto zethu ezikamamazala wami ezasala kwakhe shem. She's been holding them for so long and we have to go and pick them up. They've been there for 5 years, over 5 years. Thank you, my friend. I'm not gonna call your name because this is YouTube. So we're gonna go and book a moving van to London, where she lives, from London to Kent, and then from Kent take our things and come back to the West Yorkshire. It's a long distance, 6 hours plus. It's a long distance, but we have to because now she needs a space. So we need to do that. Now that I'm finished with the Inqodi, over time. Since not umdog, why I keep on saying umdog? So cover for steamed bread, Dombolo, and then Amagwinya. But I need to do a dough first. I need to make the dough. Okay, let me put them here actually. Okay, dry ingredients first. Flour, gonna leave a little bit for yeast. I'm doing it just like that, guys. Please don't come for me. Baking powder, half a teaspoon baking powder, bicarbonate of soda. I know but I want them to be a little bit fluffy. So sometimes when you do that, pinch of salt, and all of this sugar, and then mix. These are all my dry ingredients. But I said before over now, must check any mode and then also some again and then over. Okay? You have to have it through Inqodi gele bantas. angazi ukuthi ibizwane really ngesilungu. Can someone tell me ukuthi ibizwane ngesilungu? Angeke. Isilungu asitranslate-eki bantu. Umuntu othi isilungu siyatranslate-eka, well, argue with me. Awutshela kunasilungu sitranslate-ekayo la. Water and manzi is not the same thing. Ngoba yonke into i-water, yabo. I know what I'm talking about, but anyway. Okay, masixoveni ke manje. Okay, halfway. Sengiqedile ukubheka inqodi. Let me wash my hands and then uzobuya ngixove. When it's washed, let's stack in. Hey, lento ngiyiqokile. Okay. So open the hole for water here. Ngizasebenzisa isandla namhlanje. Warm water, guys. And then just pull it in. Pull it. See, yazizela inhlamba. Another water, little bit, not too much. Ngifuna be too soggy. Ayisangamathela. Nansi inhlama yami. Ngizayigquma. Ngibeke ibile ngishaye futhi okwesithu kancane phinde ibile nyana and then senza amagwinya. Okay, see you when I finish. Faka la inhlamba. Hayi asi. Okay, see ya. Done. Ngizogalela amanzi, ngizoyifefa ngamanzi engazuba nezikhoko. Engazuba nala layer yezikhoko. Amanzi abandayo. Okay, and then put it on the side. And that's it. Vuthiwe inqodi yami. 1 down. I don't know, 2 to go. Mush, stew, Amagwinya, Dombolo. Yo, that's a lot. Za taste masipholile. Ngizanivisa ukuthi njani. Niyafuna ukuyiva? Can you smell it? Can you smell it? Ngizayivala taste, ngizaniposela yona. Okay. Oh, I hear the songs. I hear the song of Zion. Oh, again. Oh, power. Oh, power. Oh, chipping bits. What? You didn't fire. You don't like any fire. Again. So nice. I don't even know what to tell you. It's like a fermented porridge. Fermented, it's like liquid porridge. It's fermented. That's what I did for the whole week. Ferment this brown stuff. Let's call it amabele. If you are watching someone who does not understand what is Inqodi, it's a fermented mabele juice. That's what I'm gonna say it. So now I'm preparing to go to Inqodi. It's a selapaya. I keep it because we're still in the support with them before I can do my own thing, whatever that I need to do. Yeah, must begin in time again. ane. Whoa! Woo! Wow. Ibilile. Ngizayivula manje, ngiqeda kuyivula sizoyibona kanjani. Guys, bheka inhlama yami. Ibilile.
Hi guys.
So, Melinda says hi.
Hello.
Guys, I'm trying to bribe Melinda with the sweets. Come on.
No. Oh my
Come
god.
on. Stay with mommy. Where are you going?
For a walk.
Oh, Melinda. No, I was telling my viewers about the difference between A level, sixth form, and everything. Would you mind if you can do that for me later? I know it's not because I'm saying, guys, you don't know it. Some of you live in the UK. Some of you are well knowledgeable to know these things. You know, I'm just saying for those who are interested who might not pay attention or just want to know a little bit. So yeah, but I know you know. But you know, for those who might still be interested. So Melinda will explain, will break it down. You do it, break it. You like my outfit?
Mommy.
Hmm?
All the dentists are planning for braces.
For what?
Braces, I'll tell you why.
What do you need for braces
I'll
for?
tell you why later. I've gotta go.
She doesn't need braces.
I do. I'll tell you why later. I've gotta go.
Okay, later. She wants me to give her £2, which I don't mind. No, I don't mind. That in itself is okay. £2. But my dear daughter, she wants to use my Monzo card to buy
Enzyme medication.
A what?
Because enzymes.
enzymes
Basically,
medication.
lactose intolerant people can't have lactose because it comes from cow milk. So we lack the lactose enzymes, which allows us to digest it properly. So I need to buy a special medication which has the enzymes in them, and when I take them, I can have dairy without having the consequences of having dairy.
Really? But you need my Monzo card. I know she's gonna be calling me and say, Mommy, you know what she does, guys? She waits until she's not in the house when she's at the shops, and then she'll call back and say, Mommy, I'm at the shops, you know what, Mommy? I just saw this block. Can I use £5 from your card? Can I use £5? No, she never asks more than £1. But she'll be asking for something that is worth more than £10. And she'll say it's £1, knowing that I would just say, whatever. But today, don't you dare pass
Okay,
£1.
can I tell you the truth then?
Yeah?
Can I use £6 to buy it?
Oh my goodness, but this girl is killing me.
Oh, wait. It's
Melinda!
I have £4.
What for?
I have £4 and
No.
£6.
What is it for?
Take the money out of my account.
No, guys, she ordered something on Temu.
That was an accident. That was an accident. Let me explain. I thought that the Temu had my card on it because it always does. But when we were buying for prom, I used Mummy's card, and I didn't realize that Mummy's card was still connected to my Temu. So when I bought it, it went on Mummy's card, if not on my
I am
card.
believing that. I am believing that. Guys, when I was sitting down playing with my phone and I see the notification, ding, and I'm like, I didn't just use £4.90. Who's using? I said, no one else has got my card. Melinda's got my
It was
card.
an accident. That one was a pure accident.
Every time it's accident with her when it comes to using my card. Anyway, you can use it £2. But make sure it's not more than £2.
No.
Okay, let me make the scoops.
Take care.
Oh, I've washed my hands, Bandase. Abona, I'm not working the dough the same way I did earlier. I'm just stretching it out. Okay, bantasi nansi inqodi yam. Ngibeke kwezi containers eyi-2. Sengikhipha imbiza zokupheka yonke into ya tonight. Lezi inqodi lenye efreezeni lenye efrijini ngoba lenye sizayisela mina noma unseen, lenye siyayifreeza. Ngidla ngokwenza kanjalo. Normally ngiba na about 4 of these, but ngenze encane this time. Mangiyenza for the second time on camera, you're gonna see more. Okay. Guys, okay. I'm ready. Okay. Full blast. Oil for Amagwinya.
It's a lot.
Yeah, it is a lot. In oil, the oil is full, but it will.
We still got more oil. Are you
More
gonna pour the
oil,
full thing?
yep. Now, okay. Okay, that's my fish. I've already washed it, done it. So I'll put it on the side. I'm gonna put it on the side. I'm going to wash my hands now, and then I will start the Amagwinya.
Mother, the cat can see you.
No, it's okay. Okay, guys, I'm going to put butter. I'm doing it's for it dough, and then I was like, okay. Here now, I'm going to squeeze the one for Dombolo. This is Dombolo lady. The fungus are not Dombolo 2, but I think it's only one. Steamed bread, one steamed bread. Should I make 2?
No.
No, 1 is okay. And then it's going inside now. Dombolo lamb. These are kulela plastic cover. That's it. Put a little bit low. This is already hot. Let's check it. Our oil. You see those bubbles? See? You see? Says it's hot. Go. Let's make Amagwinya. Here's the dough. Let's make some scoops. Mina ngithanda ama scoops aqinile, guys. You see? Pinch. 1. Pinch. 2. Pinch. 3.
Guys, if you want to watch this and know how to make scoops, you have to watch this. My mother's been making scoops for at least 3 years now.
I've been making them for way more than that. Then I come from the village. Ooh, look at them. See, they're turning up on their own. I don't know what baza mamanga. Okay. There we go. Okay, guys, look at it. Look at them. Look at them. Amagwinya wam lawantase, yabo? Hey! Yes! Mwashayila!
They look even.
They are okay now, guys.
They're
I think
even
they're
brighter
okay.
than last time.
They're fluffy, brighter. Anyway, now. Stay there. Yep. Okay, guys. Let's take them out now.
Oh, yeah. I'm I am the boy cousin.
Second lot.
Your
Guys, these are my scoops.
Scoopy scoop.
These are the cold scoops Amagwinya one. Now, ngizawaquma, shrink wrap, and then put it away for consumption. The consumers in this house, the consumption.
Guys, we eat this so many a day.
The consumption. Is it consumption or consumption? Whatever.
We eat this so many a day.
Let's shift this so the kids won't bend themselves right at the back.
We always put them
And
like
then
that.
let's check this, put it forward, switch off this one, put it down. Oh, it's me. Oh yes, it's coming. It's coming, Paris, it's coming. It's coming, Paris, it's coming.
Taste test.
Oh, look at that.
Ooh.
Look at that, so soft.
Really soft. I'm going to get the light ones because the
Ooh,
light
it's
ones.
hot though. I'll eat it after. It's too hot. See? Very soft. These are my scoops. Yeah.
I'm also eating one.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
It tastes really nice.
Mm. Mm.
It's,
Uh-huh.
the outside's so crunchy.
Oh my days, they're so nice.
Mm-hmm.
Mm. Okay. Let's check this.
I don't know why she put the bag in there. This is why you should not run out of ghosts.
Mm-hmm. Dombolo lamel. Whoa.
It looks nice.
This is what I was told. You check like this.
You check like this.
Ah, okay. See? Still raw.
Oh,
It's still raw. Gonna cover again. Cover. Amanzi ayancipha bafazi. Alusona usabi fish lebe lapha ya. Uthatha igwinya ngoku, but usabi fish. What is in the plate, Sona?
I'm going.
Were you scared of the fish? Take the scoop and go then. Okay.
I want a full scoop.
You can have some more. We have to eat first. Then we can have the scoop. I made them for breakfast, you know. But if you wanna finish your, yeah. I mean, if you wanna eat them, you eat them. I'm gonna make it potato salad today. Yeah. No, or potato salad, or I'm just gonna mix it with chicken stew. You will see anyway. If it's not this potato salad, it's gonna be potato and chicken stew. Okay. With okay, guys, let's check. Woo! Steam. Oh yes, that is my dombolo. Dombolo, oh dombolo, dombolo, oh dombolo, dombolo. Take it out.
Dos.
Wow. There it is, guys.
Right back there.
There. See? My homemade steamed bread. I'm going to cut it now. See how it goes. Okay, Perry? Okay. Let's lay out on this. Now, before this, let's cut it. Oh my, this is so nice and soft. See? Dombolo lamb. Now, I'm going to make sure that I cover it so it stays warm. Oh, but it's what do it tonight. This one. This is it. Dish one down.
onions because this is a stew. Skewer. What's stewing here? Amazambane. Okay. So nice uzubona. Phuma nice kanjani. Going to be nice. The taste is good already. See, me ngithanda iskew esikhama off the bones. Off the bones. Ama-bones masuka. This is the last one. Okay, guys, let's check. Let's check low body. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Look at my stew, guys. Look at my stew. It's my chicken stew. This is a spinach. This is how they eat the spinach in this house. If I cook it on its own, they will not. Okay. Ivuthwe kakhulu and ngithanda kanjani when it comes off the bone. Okay, now we are done. We are done. Nkosi yami, ngakubulala izinto zami. Okay. Oh guys, I lost the sound here, so but the food is done now. Here it is. Oh yeah, but there's ngisathetha nani yavela yathi storage full. This iPhone is iPhone 15 and with 10. I really don't know what to do because I've been deleting things and I've got what to call it, storage. I think I need to buy more storage because I'm only paying £2.99. But I'm ending this vlog here. Yep. So it's 9:30 at night. So nihlale kahle, baxolelwa bakaNkulunkulu ndinithanda nonke. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe. Do follow me on TikTok, YouTube. TikTok, YouTube for now. Instagram, I'm going to sort out the Instagram tomorrow. My name there is Nobuntu Ya. Nobuntu and Ya with YAH. Nobuntu Ya. So please follow me, subscribe, comment and like just to help your sister. So let's see each other on another vlog. Hopefully tomorrow I will try to vlog a little bit, but I'm not too sure. But today, this vlog is gonna come out tomorrow, which is Friday. Today is Thursday. I love you, Bakolelo. Nilale kamnandi.